Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best hard folding tonneau cover in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best hard folding tonneau cover in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The OEDRO roll-up truck bed tonneau cover is engineered to provide reliable protection and a sleek, modern look for your 2015-2025 Ford F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. Built for durability and everyday convenience, this cover features a heavy-duty, dual-layer PVC material designed to resist UV rays, rain, dust, and other outdoor elements. Its lightweight yet rugged structure ensures long-lasting performance without weighing down your truck. The intuitive roll-up design allows you to access your cargo quickly while maximizing bed space. With the included latch-locking system and reinforced crossbars, your gear stays secure whether you're commuting, traveling, or hauling equipment. The low-profile fit not only boosts your truck's appearance, but also improves aerodynamic efficiency, helping reduce wind drag. Designed for easy, no-drill installation, the OEDRO cover comes with all necessary hardware and a precise fit tailored to the F-150's factory bed rails. Weather-tight sealing keeps your cargo dry and safe in all seasons, making this cover an excellent upgrade for protection and practicality. For durability, style, and everyday functionality, the OEDRO roll-up tonneau cover is a dependable choice for F-150 owners. Number 2. Here's a polished 180-word product description for your item. Upgrade your truck's utility and style with the Tyger Auto T1 soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, designed for perfect compatibility with Chevy Colorado, Isuzu i350, and GMC Canyon Fleetside 5 feet 1 inch beds, ***. Built for truck owners who value both protection and convenience, this tonneau cover delivers a sleek, low-profile look while safeguarding your cargo from rain, dust, and UV damage. Crafted from premium heavy-duty vinyl, the Tyger Auto T1 cover is durable, weather-resistant, and easy to maintain. Its soft roll-up design allows you to quickly access your truck bed whenever needed, while the secure fastening system ensures a tight, reliable fit. Installation is tool-free and straightforward, taking just minutes without drilling or permanent modifications to your vehicle. Perfect for daily drivers, weekend adventurers, or fleet vehicles, this tonneau cover combines practical functionality with a modern, stylish appearance. Enhance your truck's aerodynamics, protect your cargo, and enjoy the convenience of a roll-up design that's both durable and easy to operate. The Tyger Auto T1 soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover is the ultimate upgrade for your Chevy, GMC, or Isuzu truck. If you want, I can also make a catchier, SEO-friendly version that's optimized for online sales and search engines. Do you want me to do that? Number 3. Upgrade your Ram 1500 with the Autosaver 88 low-profile hard trifold truck bed tonneau cover, designed for new body style, 2019 to 2026, with a 5.7-foot bed, excluding Rambox models. Crafted for truck owners who value both style and functionality, this tonneau cover offers a sleek, low-profile design that seamlessly integrates with your truck's lines while enhancing aerodynamics for improved fuel efficiency. Constructed with durable, weather-resistant materials, it protects your cargo from rain, snow, dust, and UV damage. The trifold design allows for easy access to your truck bed. Simply fold back one section or all 3 for full bed coverage. Installation is quick and tool-free, thanks to the precision-fit clamps tailored for your Ram 1500. Ensuring a secure, no-drill setup. Whether you're hauling tools, gear, or personal items, the Autosaver 88 tonneau cover provides peace of mind with a tight, secure seal. Its stylish matte black finish complements your truck's appearance, adding a modern, rugged look. Maximize your truck's versatility, protect your cargo, and enjoy a cleaner, sleeker ride with Autosaver 88, the perfect upgrade for your Ram 1500. Number 4. Upgrade your 2022 to 2026 Ford Maverick 4 feet 6 inches bed with the Tonneau hard-shell folding truck bed tonneau cover, TULH 037, designed for durability, security, and style. Precision engineered to fit the 54.4-inch bed perfectly, This premium cover enhances your truck's functionality while maintaining a sleek, low-profile appearance. Constructed with high-quality, impact-resistant materials, the hard shell design provides maximum protection for your cargo against harsh weather, dust, and theft. Its lightweight yet rugged panels fold effortlessly, allowing quick access to your truck bed without the hassle of removing the entire cover. With a simple three-fold operation, you can easily carry larger items or secure smaller loads with confidence. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications, making it a perfect aftermarket upgrade for any Ford Maverick owner. Its aerodynamic design also helps improve fuel efficiency while giving your truck a clean, modern look. Whether you're hauling tools, groceries, or recreational gear, the Tonneau hard shell folding tonneau cover ensures your cargo stays safe, secure, and protected. Elevate your Maverick style, convenience, and performance today. Number 5. Upgrade your truck's cargo protection with the Perfit Liner 5.5 feet, 67-inch, bed soft roll-up tonneau cover, designed for 2004 to 2026 Ford F-150 and 2006 to 2014 Lincoln Mark LT Styleside/Fleetside trucks. This premium soft roll-up cover combines durability, convenience, and style, providing your truck bed with a sleek, low-profile look while keeping your cargo secure. Crafted from high-quality, weather-resistant vinyl, the Perfit Liner cover shields your gear from rain, snow, sun, and debris. Its easy-to-use roll-up design allows quick access to your truck bed. Simply fold it back and load, or unload your cargo with ease. The cover installs effortlessly without drilling, using precise fit clamps and hardware for a secure hold. The Perfit Liner is lightweight yet robust, offering a smooth, aerodynamic profile that can also help improve fuel efficiency. Perfect for everyday use, camping trips, or hauling equipment, this tonneau cover keeps your cargo protected and your truck looking sharp. Enhance your truck's functionality and appearance with the Perfit Liner 5.5 feet soft roll-up tonneau cover, the ideal accessory for style, convenience, and protection. If you want, I can also make a catchy, SEO-optimized version for Amazon or other marketplaces. Do you want me to do that?